Hey guys, welcome to another video of mine. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online selling websites. Alright, and shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Social Butterflies JA. They're an online e-commerce creation platform where you can go to sign up and create your free e-commerce stores, and you can also use them to sell e-commerce stores to businesses as well. I will definitely do another video showing you how to do that, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can definitely go and sign up on the platform and create your free stores and play around with it in the meantime. Okay, so back to today's videos. So since day one, you guys know that the tool I use to create website is Builderall. Alright, and Builderall is not only a web creation tool. Builderall is a full-on digital marketing suite. So what I have is a digital marketing agency at my fingertip, and given what is going on now in the world with the uncertainty, everyone definitely is pushing to go online, so the brick and mortar businesses are definitely not doing very well right now. Okay, so let me just quickly browse through the tools that Builderall has. Alright, so we have the website creator. This is the old one that they had. They have a new Cheetah web creator. You can also use it to create e-commerce. You can create animated videos. You have automated email responses. You can set up email campaigns, put chatbots in your website, social proof. You can create Android and Apple apps. I'm going to do a video on that as well. Alright, and so let me just focus on what we're going to do today, which is creating websites. So to create websites, I use the new Cheetah drag and drop website builder. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my drag and drop builder. Alright, so the good thing about creating a website is that, for one, I charge an upfront fee, and then I charge a monthly hosting and maintenance fee. Alright, so that's definitely residual income. So let's say I charge $5,000 per month to keep their hosting, and like if they have new products, new services, or they want to run promotions on their websites, I would definitely still be doing that for them. And they pay $5,000 per month Jamaican. So you know that if I have 10 clients, I would be making $50,000 per month. And then if I have 100 clients, you know that would be $500,000 per month. So let's say it takes me a year to get 100 clients. Will it have been worth it? Definitely. An additional 500,000, and then I would probably need to hire persons to help me to maintain the 100 websites, and that's how you build wealth with passive income. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how easy it is. So let's go here and create a new site, and for the video I'm going to name this one training, and then for the description I just put training. Alright, so now I'm going to select a template. Alright, and right here these websites are pretty much done for you. The only thing we would need to do is like change the pictures if you want, change the layouts and stuff like that. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates there, and there are some over on the left side. You can select categories, so you can select business funnel pages, and then I can scroll down over here or I can go to new, and these are some templates. So I'm going to preview a few of these. Alright, so let's say you wanted to reach out to plastic surgeons. You can do that. Real estate, home care, dental implants. Let's check this one out, resume woman. So let's preview that website. Alright, so this is the website for So this is someone that's doing web design, so this could be your own website. So all you would need to do, so everything in this is fully customizable, and I'm going to share that with you in just a minute. So your logo here, you just substitute this with your logo. You can put your picture, your image there as well. So about me, so this is basically a fully developed template that you could basically send this to someone and say, hey, I could create this for you, and replace things in there, the information, the images, with whatever you request. So you can use this as a lead generator to get leads. So what I do is, on Instagram, I would reach out to at least 10 businesses per day. I have a specified message that I save, that I use to get leads, and on average I would get about 3 confirmed paid customers per week. Okay, so you can definitely do that. You have to put in the work. So you have to, working from home, you definitely have to have a schedule, and you have to have the discipline to stick to that schedule, because it's not as easy as some persons on the internet make it seems like. Being your own boss, it takes a lot of discipline, self-discipline. All right, but once you have that, you'll definitely make it. So as you can see here, fully functional website with your services, about me, and you can add new pages if you want as well. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the editor, and then I am going to go ahead, select this, and select save. And now what we're going to do is to edit the home page. Alright, so this one is just a one-page website, and once you click edit, it's going to open up the editor, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to change text, pictures, words, stuff like that, not without making this video too long. Alright, so the good thing about this, you don't need to know any programming or anything like that. Alright, so right here, this is basically what we use. This is a panel that we use to add elements, remove elements, stuff like that. So you can add animated elements. You would just click on that, and I can add like countdown timers, and they're all fully edited. And I can also add panels. Alright, so panels are basically like pages. So if I want to put a page with an animated video, application, business banners, stuff like that, but I'll do a full video and create a website from scratch and show you guys. So right here, let me just show you how easy it. So if I wanted to change the picture, I would just click on this, open the banner, and then I would just right click and see settings right here. I can click general settings, scroll down, and I can just change the image right here. It's that simple. Or if I wanted to remove it, I click delete. Okay, if I wanted to change the words here, I can just double click this, and it will pull up my typing tool. And if I am Amal, I would change that. Alright, and then I can also resize as well. Alright, so that's how simple it is to do that. And then if you wanted to let me just add something right here real quick, just to show you. So if I wanted to add a text, I just click that, and now I select the size of the text that I wanted to add, and you can either drag it over here like this and let it go, and then it would pull up the type this, and you just double click, and then you change it to whatever. So if I wanted to change this to training, I can. Alright, and then let's say I wanted to do something else with this text, I can do an animation right here, and I can say when visible the animation will take effect. And then let's just change this to a bounce left, and I can change the speed of how it bounces, and I can just let it bounce continuously with the and this is an example of how the animation would look. So if I change it to slower, that's how it will slide in. So once they go to that page, you would see the training just slide in like that. So you can do a lot with this and create professional looking websites. Alright, so today I'm just sharing with you the tools. So this is like a series, so this is just the first. I'm gonna show you the tools. Alright, and now most of persons are probably wondering, what's the cost for Builderall? How do I get started on Builderall? And just like with any other business, there is a cost associated. And also, if you wanted to promote Builderall itself, as in instead of you or alongside of you selling websites, if you want to share Builderall, you can definitely use the affiliate platform and you can make money from that as well. But I make money dominantly from selling websites, but persons have reached out to me and signed up. So as you can see right here, my earnings is $62.82 in the Builderall affiliate section. Alright, so let me just look for the plans and I'll show you the difference in the plans and the cost to start as well. Okay guys, so these are the plans that are available to you. Alright, so there's a free plan where you can basically create one website for free. You get the website builder, unlimited subdomains and stuff like that, but you can only create one website. There's a $19 plan as well, right? And you get the drag and drop builder, and you also get the unlimited subdomains as well. Alright, and also the $29 plan that you get the email autoresponder as well, and you get up to 5 domains and subdomains as well, unlimited subdomains. And then basically the premium plan, you get, that's the plan that I'm on, you get everything that's available in Builderall. So some of them, the tools that I show you in the beginning, will not be available to some. But what I'm going to do in the description, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can sign up to the premium plan for just $1. That's right, $1, and you get to try it out for a month for $1. And then after the month, you can definitely you will probably make more than enough money once you're consistent to switch to the $69 plan. Alright, so I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can just sign up for $1. Alright, and also I'll put the link for the other plans as well for those who just want to get started. Alright, so just remember some tips. You have to be consistent in selling websites. You have to reach out to your leads. Like for me, I create a business page called Web Designs JA on Instagram, and then I reach out to persons daily. And also websites that I've created for persons have been basically referring other persons to me. So you just got to be consistent. Remember, if you charge $15,000 to create a website and then $5,000 per month, you definitely collect the upfront money, and then you know that once a person have their website on your platform, they're gonna want to keep it active and pay for that website. Alright, so that's it for today's video. And I want to also shout out to all my subscribers that have been reaching out to me. I appreciate the feedback, the comments I've been getting, and also comment in the description. You can definitely ask your questions. I'm gonna go ahead and give away a free e-commerce setup. I'm gonna set up a free e-commerce website for a random subscriber that comments in the description to get your dropshipping business going. Alright, so I'm gonna integrate Printful with Social Butterfly's e-store for you and get you up and running. Alright, so remember, in order to get that set up, you will have to comment in the description. Let me know if you've made money online, what have you tried, if you have any questions, and I will definitely be answering your questions in the comment. Alright, and remember guys, to like, subscribe, and share this channel with those persons you know who are interested in making money online, because you know that's what I do. When I get the information, I share it with you. Alright, remember to stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day.